In this video, we'll go over a 5-minute scalping strategy using the pullback method. This strategy is useful for trading Forex, crypto, or gold. It's straightforward and beginner-friendly, making it perfect for those new to trading. So, be sure to watch to learn more, and please show your support by liking and subscribing to our channel to help us continue providing helpful content. Adding indicators. Go to the Indicators search tab and type AI Trend Navigator. Choose the AI Trend Navigator. Enter the settings of the AI Trend Navigator. Customize the price value and target value according to your preference. Change the color of the MN line for better visibility. Click OK to confirm the changes. Adding another indicator. Go to the Indicator search tab and type Andean Oscillator. Choose the Andean Oscillator by Alex Grover. Enter the Andean Oscillator settings and leave them at their default value. Under the Style tab, remove the checkmark from the Signal tab. Click OK to confirm the changes. Buy entry. If the KNN line is above the MAKNN line, it signals a bullish trend. Wait until the Andean Oscillator indicator also shows a bullish trend. Wait for the price to undergo a correction. Once the correction is complete, confirm that the formed candlestick is a bullish candlestick. If all conditions are met, you can place a buy order after the bullish candlestick is closed. Place the stop loss at the latest swing low. Use a target take profit with a risk and reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. Sell entry. If the KNN line is below the MAKNN line, it signals a bearish trend. Wait until the Andean Oscillator indicator also shows a bearish trend. Wait for the price to undergo a correction indicated by the KNN line turning green. Once the correction is complete and marked by the KNN line changing from green to red, it's a sell signal. Confirm that the formed candlestick is a bearish candlestick. If all conditions are met, you can place a sell order after the bearish candlestick is closed. Place the stop loss at the latest swing high. Use a target take profit with a risk and reward ratio of 1 to 1.5.